Of course, Rafaela and Abraham. Ayan. As you can see, they are eating together. Ayan. So, hindi nila inulog yung mga gamit na yan. Nakatayo lang lahat yan. Ito yung bahay nila kasi. Ito yung laundry nila. Yan yung azotea nila. Ayan. Yan sila pumatambay. Pag gusto nilang magmuni-muni. So, this is all for today. Bye for now.